Want Excel to grade, reward, or flag data for you? Use the if function with 3 conditions. Quick, simple, and powerful. Let me show you how in seconds. Here I have a list of students with their exam scores. Now, the goal is to assign grades based on 3 conditions. If the score is 80 or above, excellent. If the score is between 50 and 79, pass. If the score is below 50, fail. In cell C2, let's start typing the formula. Here's how it works. The if function always starts by checking a condition. The first if checks if B2 is greater than or equal to 80. If true, the result is excellent. If not, Excel moves to the second if, checking if B2 is greater than or equal to 50. If true, the result is pass. Otherwise, Excel defaults to fail. Finally, press enter. Now, drag the formula down. Or better yet, just double-click the fill handle and Excel instantly evaluates every student's score. Here's a quick bonus tip. Instead of typing multiple if function, you can also use the ifs function, available in Excel 2016 and later. It makes formulas cleaner and easier to read. Just type this formula. See how much simpler that looks? Now press enter. Same result, less clutter. And that's it, you've mastered the if function with 3 conditions. If this saved you time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick Excel hacks. Hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.